Because today we're in Roblox Rivals and we're just gonna do some 1v1s. Wait, 0, 0, 0. Oh, that's 0, 0. Okay, guys, let's see who wants a 1v1. Yeah, we're gonna go in Marina. Okay, guys, okay. We're gonna, I quit auto, so we're gonna use the gunblade, revolver, fist, wait, let me see if I have any auto on. If it's on, I'm gonna crash out. Oh, no, it's not. See, I told you guys I quit auto. Oh, what is this guy doing, dude? What is this guy doing? Oh, what is this guy doing? I'm gonna let him win. I'm gonna let him win. I feel bad for him, dude. He's only level 67, and I'm on level 250. I mean, level 275. I'm gonna let him win, dude. I'm nice. I'm nice, guys. See? Okay. Here's the Fulton drip. W Fulton. Okay. Guys, we might need to end this video in a couple of minutes. Or a couple seconds. It might be a short. Come on, dude. Come on. Okay, so we're just gonna, we're gonna just let him win. Oh man, I'm gonna kneel. Well, GG's, dude, GG's. We're honestly okay. We're gonna go in here. So we're gonna use the paintball gun, slingshot, trowel, and also this. Okay. Then. There we go. Guys, I really want to. If you guys could give me the classic bundle, I would literally. This is my favorite. This is my dream bundle, dude. OMG. The paintball gun, pretty good. I only have one because look, I have the skin. I don't have the rest. I'll show you what I mean. I don't have the rest. Sorry for being loud. Okay, let me show you what I mean by I don't have the rest. Look, I don't have the paintball gun. I don't have the slingshot. I have the trowel. I don't have the subsector. But can I show you how much arrows I have? I have 1,055. I have 1,566 arrows. Okay, let's go. Okay. In a couple more seconds. Well, honestly, this is just gonna be the end. So yeah, see y'all next video.